Is it a good time to talk?
Yeah, sure, Kanch. Go ahead.
Okay, I just wanted to talk to you regarding the process of our project, the progress. It has been going on really well. Most of the parts, part A to C, have been completed really well, and the solution has been taking off really good. But I would like to talk to you a bit about part D and E and the module that we were doing with respect to that. Somehow I feel, and the results are showing to prove that part D and E, the solution that you suggested, is not working out pretty well. Shangru had come up with a very good solution, and I think we should implement that. So I would like to know your thoughts on that.
Okay. I don't understand why you think that it's not working, because the way I'm making research on that, I'm developing this social media app and I'm running tests and I'm seeing results. I don't understand why is it difficult for others to see those results. I mean, I understand Shangru's idea, but come on, like, I'm working in this industry for quite a while now, and I know the work that I'm doing. So I think my methodology should work fine.
Your methodology is right,
Okay.
Varun, but it's not correct. It's not the apt kind of technology that we are supposed to be using, and the apt solution. Basically, because it's not as efficient as the module suggested by our junior Shangru. I think we have to go ahead with that, and these are some of the reports that you're actually seeing. And I really think you should consider going through that solution and trying to implement that, because as far as I know that we both have been doing that previous module, and we've both tried it, and I feel it's better than our solution. I think you need to really consider their solution while incorporating it in the entire module. Because
I don't get it. Like, I'm trying to explain you guys all the time, like, why we should go with my methodology. I know I have worked in this, and I seriously find it difficult. Like, is it something wrong with the way I talk? Because I have tried to explain it again and again and again, and I don't understand why is it difficult to get it. I mean, you are saying that it's efficient, but you are saying that your methodology, Shangru's methodology, is efficient. I mean, come on, like, he's just working since how many time?
That doesn't reduce the fact that his solution may sometimes be better than
No,
ours.
I completely agree on that. I'm not saying that his solution is wrong. What I'm trying to say is it has to be supported by facts, right?
It is. You're actually just seeing the reports that he's come out with, and I think it's a better solution than ours. And this is one of the issues that I thought I should address to you, considering that I'm a very close colleague to you. I've been working with you for past 8 years, and I've noticed that some of our juniors, and I've heard people come and approach me and tell me that sometimes you tend to stop or interrupt their conversation and don't give them the chance to portray what they have on the table, what they can put on the table, so that in the end it's our work. It's finally what we are coming up with, and the achievements we have is as a team and not individually. So I think you need to really consider when these people are coming up and actually talking to you about it. They don't feel that you're that approachable. All said and done, I mean, they know for sure, and it's a fact that you are the most knowledgeable person in our team, and you are a critical resource both for the project and the organization. But they find it really tough to come and approach you and talk to you about the issues that they have, because they feel they get sidetracked when they come and talk to you. So this is something I wanted to address to you, basically because I'm a very close colleague to you, and I will always want your goodwill.
I mean, I get your point maybe, but like, I don't understand. I think that's the way industry works, and I really don't see why people can't come and talk with me. Like, am I a difficult person to talk? I am always available, and I don't understand what your methodology is. Maybe there is some gap or something, but the way I have been brought up, or the way I have worked in the industry, like, you need to have respect for people who have had good experience in the industry, and you need to have that respect, and you need to work on your aspect of the module first, or your aspect of the work first, before you start asking others. So I don't understand why is it wrong, why is it so difficult for others to just pay attention to what I'm saying.
See, nobody is saying
And
that they
basically,
don't want to pay attention to you.
Just raise doubts whenever I'm trying to help you people out here.
Yeah, but then
I'm trying to give you good advice that will help you achieve your projects faster. It will help in your career.
But
That's what I'm trying to do.
Yeah, but Varun, I've noticed in many occasions when some people have tried to voice their opinions and ask their doubts, you've completely stumped them and you're not giving them the opportunity to talk. That is the main issue. It's
Okay.
not that you're not knowledgeable. It's not that you cannot help them. It's just that you don't come across as a person who's approachable to them.
Okay,
So-
Kanchan, I'm going to pose you a question. Just tell me an answer to this. Say that I know a junior person. He's walking down the wrong path. Is it something wrong to just like tell him at the start that no, you are going down the wrong path. It's wrong. Don't go there. Maybe take up some different approach to a problem.
I think it's completely right that you should do that. What you're saying is right, but it's not. That doesn't have to stunt the creative ability of the person, right? If they have some solution, it doesn't mean that every time you know the right answer. It doesn't mean that every time I know the right answer. The junior could be right as well. And if we don't cultivate that sort of environment, if we don't foster that sort of environment in an organization, I don't think anybody will be able to individually develop, right? Our senior did that to us. We had Kaushik. He helped us out. I mean, and still, look at how you've turned out. I mean, it's just amazing. So don't you think we need to foster such an environment, such a senior junior environment amongst our juniors?
Well, I do. I get your point. And I never till the point I don't think that I am actually doing something wrong. Like I don't understand what my mistake is.
What you may be doing may not be wrong, but what you may be doing may not be the correct answer, right? There's something a difference between right and correct, and probably their solution is better than yours. So my consideration is that
okay. So like I have a lot of work to do. So I'll just ask you this thing. Okay, I understand the point that you are trying to make. Maybe there is something wrong with the communication that I am doing. So okay, what do you want me to?
why don't we just have a meeting and have an ice-breaking session? I think that should really help, and because they really want to come and reach out to you, and I want you to be available to them as well as a good senior. So I think that's the best way we can work this out further.
Okay.
So can we book an appointment for that?
Okay, yeah, sure. So I'll do one thing. I'll just see my schedule availability for the next week, and let's just have a meeting. Let's just clear the air out.
Thank you so much,
We'll
Varun.
see.
That's
Thank
really
you for
great.
reaching me out.